They got the motion shit so you get in there.
I don't make it rain. I'm a little Trey. I don't want no name.
Look at my hoe. But look at my hoe. Yep. She in the frame. Don't know her name. She asking for aim. Bitch, what year are you in? It's 2011. What the fuck, you rapping? Bitch, you in the clip? Shut up, man. This bitch, suck my dick. Look, I don't wanna be disrespectful with the females. I be just trying to get in brief detail. So you just gonna have to understand me. Bitch, I'm in this shit and I look like Granny. I don't give a fuck, man. My flow sick like it's dying in the motherfucking hospice. No hospital. If you nigga get it, nigga, then you split it and you smoke it, then it's swisher, nigga. Then I understand what you're talking about. But me and my hoe finna travel down south. Cause I'm finna pimp it. Working like a hoe. Get it? Bitch, go get on that stroll. Niggas in the hood.
Bitch, go get on the stroke. Make Lil Trey some dope. Don't come in acting like an asshole. Came with the flow. Niggas know I flow like that fucking river. Everybody know. Straight. Nigga cold, get shit. Spit off the homie all the time, you know me. Came with the nigga got the Chicago on yo bitch met me in Chicago. I don't even know. Man, I ain't even been there, but I'm right there, like I'm right here, like I've been there, like yesterday. Came in spitting these flows like yesterday, like easy, but I didn't write them yesterday. Posted man, and I came with the AKs, spraying these niggas way back, cause Lil Trey, who gon' rap?
Young Quan in the back, he finna spit. But he's sorry as fuck cause he don't rap. Ask that nigga what the fuck happened. Ask him what happened. Why he didn't rap? Cause he don't got no flow. Oh shit. Oh shit. Got the Easter, you know, look, rapping. 562BOYz. Come with that 2 boy, you know what it do, boy. I come like I'm rude boys. Nigga, don't disrespect me, snatching all your girlies. My nigga in the back, and he got your whole swirly early. And niggas already know I said it on the old freestyles. Nigga, I know you read it. Nigga, how to style, entertainment, and the tags. That Lil Trey nasty, at the beach guy. LTN, put the ad in front of it. Niggas
know what you become of it. Came not son you bitch, nigga, and she making me money, and you know the shit. You like, where are my cash? She took it, dipped it out to the house. I fucked her on my dog's bed. Came with the shit, nigga, shooting like the dog led. I'm in your head, nigga, like a virus, and you ain't dead.